let's work on our SOO SIK one-step sparring. When we work on this in class, we work with partners. We set our distance. One partner goes back to attack. Hop! They wait for their partner to key up, and when they do, they step and do a high punch. The person who is your partner, when that punch is coming, has to do a sequence of blocks and counterattacks, and that is how we practice our SOO SIK. Because you're probably practicing without a partner and in a very small space, we're not going to do our going back to attacks like we normally would. Instead, we're going to do this together, where I do the SOO SIK number with you, and then as we progress, juniors will continue to do the one they know, and seniors can move on to the next one with me. So we will do a few today. We'll see how far we get and which ones we may want to do next week. So everyone remembers that I'm acting like the mirror for these exercises today. And so if I step this way, you will step this way when you're practicing yourself. So, SOO SIK number 1, ilban. We would set our distance. Our partner would go back to attack. And when we key up, we're imagining that they're stepping toward us with a high punch right toward our face. So we're going to step out of the way with a block, do our counterattack moves, and on our last move, we will key up. So for number 1, we're going to step right, block left. We're going to go one step at a time, and then we're going to do them all together at least 3 times. First time, one step. Hana, step right, block left. Do, middle punch, set, high punch, net. Hey, roundhouse kick with a key up. Bring your foot all the way behind you when you're done with your kick, and then borrow back to your starting position. So it didn't take a lot of room for me to do this, and because I don't have a partner, I can take a slightly smaller step, or I can kick at a slightly different angle if I need to avoid running into anything in the room that I'm in. So let's do SOO SIK ilban number 1 3 times together. And then our white belts would continue to practice the same one when I move on to the next one with our seniors. So we've set our distance with our partner. They've gone back to attack. Key up and begin. Hop! Key up. Borrow. Set your distance. Your attacker went back. Key up and begin. Hop! Key up. Borrow. And one more time all together. We're pretending to set our distance with our attacker. We're imagining that they went back to attack and they key upped. Now we key up and begin. Hop! Key up. And borrow. White belts, I would like you to continue to practice the exact same moves. Even though I'm going to demonstrate some other moves for your senior members, I need you to focus on what you just did, and when I count for the seniors and we do a different move, I want you to continue to do the moves that you just practiced. If that means you have to pause the video and go back and look at it again, that's completely fine. But please don't try to do the techniques that you haven't learned in class yet. All right, so the next number is number 3, samban. Our green belts, such as Connor and Tyler, have been working on number 3. In this case, we get ready and we do an outside to inside block, a middle punch, a high punch. We get ready, hut, and we do a side kick with a key up. Borrow. So one move at a time for our green belts and up. White belts, please continue to work on number 1 that we did previously. Hana. Do. Set. Net. Hey. Para. All right, seniors, 3 times all together. Pretend to set your distance. Pretend that your partner went back to attack with a key up. Everyone will do either number 1 if you're a white belt or number 3 if you're a green belt and above. Hup. Hey. Far up. Again, set your distance. Imagine your partner's gone back to attack with a key up. You key up and begin. Hup. Hey. Far up. Last time for this number, set your distance. Partner went back to attack. They key up, so you key up when ready and begin. Hup. Hey. Far up. Great. So green belts, you'll continue to work on that SOO SIK number 3, even though the seniors and I are going to move on to number 5. All right, next is SOO SIK Daryan, number 5, Oban. So for Oban, we would get ready. Those of us who have done it before may remember, we actually get ready with our foot back, and then as the person is punching toward us, we do a kick, block, high punch, hey, inside, outside kick with the key up. So let's do that together 3 times. Remember, green belts and others who maybe have not done number 5, continue to do number 3, and white belts continue to do number 1. So we're pretending we've set our distance, our partner has gone back to attack. So those of us doing number 5, we get ready, key up and begin. Hop. Hey. Far up. Next repetition, set our distance. Our pretend attacker has gone back and key upped. We get ready, key up and begin. Hop. Hey. Far up. And one more time, set our distance. Our attacker went back, they key up, so we will key up and begin when ready. Hey. Hey. And far up. Great. So some of our red belts have moved on to number 7. And so that is the next and last one that we will do today. So in number 7, we start again with our foot back. We do an outside to inside kick, and without putting our foot down, a side kick. We land with a high punch. We grab behind our attacker's neck. We pull them into a knee strike. Hup! And an elbow attack. Hey! Far up. All right, so this is a little harder to get your exact distance right without a partner, but it's still useful to practice the sequence and steps. Which foot is moving, which hand is doing the attack. So everyone is practicing the one that they know. Number 1, number 3, number 5, or number 7. Ready? Get ready for your first repetition. See, jump. Hey! Far up. We're pretending to set our distance. Our partner is back. They're key upping. We're getting ready. Key up and begin. Hop! Hey! Far up. And one more repetition. Everyone, pretend to set your distance. Pretend that your partner's gone back to attack with a key up. You prepare yourself, key up, and begin. Hop! us out on our SOO SIK Darien. I think that covers what most of our members who are under 14 are doing. Our members who are adults or over 14, I know you've gone further than that. So see if you can remember number 9, number 11, which is when you start stepping with your opposite or left foot, number 13, number 15, and or number 17. Seniors, please do get in touch and let me know if there are any SOO SIK Darien numbers that you are not sure about and would like to practice next week. Kamsahamnida, everybody. SOO SIK.